Prince Harry, the Duke of Sussex, has been on quite a journey. From his early days in the public eye as a young prince, he has always been a figure of intrigue and admiration. His life has been a tapestry of royal duties, personal challenges, and public scrutiny. From his royal beginnings to finding love with Meghan Markle, his life has been full of change. Their relationship captivated the world, culminating in a fairy tale wedding that was watched by millions. Together, they have faced the pressures of the spotlight and the challenges of blending royal traditions with modern values. One significant chapter unfolded recently, right here in the United States. Seeking a fresh start, Harry and Meghan made the bold decision to step back from their royal roles and relocate across the Atlantic. This move marked a new beginning, filled with both opportunities and uncertainties. Harry's quest for a permanent American life involved navigating the complex world of immigration law. The process was intricate and demanding, requiring patience and perseverance. It was a journey through legal mazes and bureaucratic hurdles, all in pursuit of a new home and a new life. This journey wasn't always easy, but it brought a resounding victory for Harry and for the principle of privacy. His successful navigation of the legal system was a testament to his determination and the support of those who believed in his cause. Harry's story is one of courage and resilience. He has faced numerous challenges, from personal loss to public scrutiny, yet he has always emerged stronger. His journey is an inspiration to many, showing that it is possible to overcome adversity and forge a new path. He chose to step away from royal life and forge his own path. This decision was not made lightly, but it was a necessary step for his personal growth and happiness. It was a move that required immense bravery and a deep sense of self-awareness. This decision led him to America, a land known for its embrace of individuality and freedom. Here, Harry found a place where he could redefine his identity and live life on his own terms. The United States offered a new beginning, a chance to build a life away from the constraints of royal expectations. As Harry sought to build a new life, he faced scrutiny and legal hurdles. His determination never wavered. Each challenge was met with resolve, and each victory was a step closer to the life he envisioned for himself and his family. This is a story about more than just visas. It's about the right to privacy, a right that is fundamental to us all. Harry's journey underscores the importance of this right, reminding us that everyone deserves the freedom to live their life without undue intrusion. His story is a powerful testament to the enduring fight for personal privacy and autonomy. The Biden administration played a key role in Harry's US visa case. Their stance was clear. Protecting the privacy of individuals, even those in the public eye, is paramount. Immigration records are confidential for a reason. They contain sensitive information that should not be subject to public scrutiny. The administration's commitment to upholding privacy is commendable. In an age where information is easily shared and often manipulated, protecting individual privacy is more important than ever. The Biden administration's actions in Harry's case reflect a deep respect for the law and for the rights of all individuals seeking a life in the United States. Their stance sets an important precedent, reaffirming that everyone, regardless of their status, deserves the right to privacy. In his memoir Spare, Harry revealed a deeply personal detail, his past experiences with drug use. This honest admission, while courageous, raised legal questions regarding his US visa application. Applicants are required to disclose any past drug use, and failing to do so can have serious consequences. Harry's situation brought to light the complexities of immigration law and the potential conflicts between personal disclosures and legal requirements. His candor in his memoir, while admirable, had unintended consequences. It triggered a legal debate about whether he had been forthcoming with all necessary information during the visa application process. This situation underscores the importance of seeking legal counsel when navigating complex immigration matters. Section 4. Transparency versus privacy, the court's balancing act. The court was tasked with a difficult decision, weighing the public's interest in transparency against Harry's right to privacy. After careful consideration, the court ruled in favor of privacy. They found no evidence of any impropriety in the handling of Harry's visa application. This ruling is significant. It reaffirms that the right to privacy is not absolute and must be balanced against other interests. However, it also emphasizes that privacy should not be compromised lightly. The court's decision recognizes that individuals, even public figures, have a right to protect their personal information. Section 5. A conservative challenge, the Heritage Foundation's lawsuit. The Conservative Heritage Foundation filed a lawsuit seeking the release of Harry's immigration records. They argued that the public had a right to know the details surrounding his visa application. This lawsuit sparked a heated debate about government transparency and individual privacy. The Heritage Foundation's lawsuit was driven by their belief in government transparency. They argued that the public has a right to know how government decisions are made, particularly when it comes to immigration. Their challenge to the court's decision reflects a broader debate about the balance between transparency and privacy in a democratic society. Section 6. Victory for Harry, victory for privacy, a landmark ruling. This momentous decision marks a turning point in the ongoing battle for personal privacy rights. The court ultimately ruled against the Heritage Foundation, upholding the decision to keep Harry's immigration records private. This ruling came after months of intense legal battles and public debates, highlighting the complexities of privacy laws in the digital age. This landmark ruling is a significant victory, not just for Harry, but for everyone who values privacy. It represents a triumph for those who believe that personal information should remain confidential and protected from unwarranted public exposure. It sets a powerful precedent, affirming that personal information should not be subject to public scrutiny without compelling reasons. This decision underscores the importance of safeguarding individual privacy in an era where data breaches and information leaks are increasingly common. The court's decision reaffirms the importance of privacy as a fundamental right. It emphasizes that privacy is not just a privilege for the few, but a basic human right that must be protected for all. It sends a clear message that individuals should not have to choose between their right to privacy and their ability to live and work in the United States. This ruling ensures that personal privacy is respected, regardless of one's status or public profile. This ruling has far-reaching implications, setting a standard for future cases involving public figures and their right to privacy. It will likely influence how courts handle similar cases in the future, ensuring that privacy rights are upheld and respected across the board. Section 7. Beyond the headlines. Upholding privacy in the age of information. Harry's US visa victory is about more than just one individual's case. It represents a significant moment in the ongoing battle for privacy rights, especially in a world where personal information is constantly at risk of being exposed. It highlights the ongoing struggle to protect privacy in an age where information is readily available and often exploited. With the rise of digital technology, our personal data is more vulnerable than ever, making the fight for privacy a critical issue of our time. The court's decision serves as a reminder that privacy matters. It underscores the importance of legal frameworks that protect individuals from unwarranted intrusion and data breaches. It is essential for our personal autonomy, our freedom of expression, and our ability to live without fear of judgment or reprisal. Privacy allows us to explore ideas, communicate freely, and maintain our dignity in a connected world. As we navigate the ever-evolving landscape of information technology and social media, it is more important than ever to safeguard our right to privacy. The digital age has brought unprecedented convenience, but it also demands vigilance in protecting our personal information. The court's ruling in Harry's case is a step in the right direction, reminding us that privacy is not a privilege, but a fundamental right that deserves protection. This decision sets a precedent, encouraging further actions to ensure that privacy laws keep pace with technological advancements.